transforming their lives financially, economically for the better. And based on a sans serif na font, okay na, very corporate, yan yung original nating logo na font, by the way, yung nasa ilalim, which means a global group of companies, which means grounded tayo sa base, yung original vision, yung original mission ng company, which is to transform lives into an extraordinary life. So kung ikaw member ngayon, it only means you are an agent of transformation. Ikaw mismo magtatransform ang buhay mo. Handa ka na ba doon? So yan yung logo natin. Yung swoosh, umaabot sa first G, may second G that means group. Everybody say group. When you form a group from one or from an individual, it becomes a group, it becomes better. From one force, it becomes multifactorial o multifocal. Mas dumadami, mas lumalakas pag nagiging grupo. Mas nagiging exponential yung growth. Mas dumadami yung market na nilalaro natin as compared to before na beauty, health, and wellness na. Now we have digital insurance, now we have franchise division, and very soon, 2 to 3 more divisions that we will be launching this year or probably early next year. So with this newest logo, ito na yung gagamitin natin ngayon sa mga posters, sa mga videos. Kaya nga kung hindi ka pa gumagamit ng ating profile sa Facebook, you can download it, you can use it. So this is the birth of AIM Global Group. So we will be known as AGG. Kaya mamaya pag sumigaw tayo sa dulo, lalo na yung mananalo ng 1 million. Ang isisigaw mo, AGG. Yung mananalo ng isang pera. Ang isisigaw mo ay
AGG!
yung mananalo ng US Street. AGG pa rin. Next. I'd like to give you some update with our Alpha East Franchise Corporation with our Matching Glow brand. We already have 11. Everybody say 11. We have 11 stores. 3 company-owned. Ayan, meron tayo sa head office, Pateros and Cainta. And we also have 8 franchise-owned sa Quezon City, Iloilo, Pasig, Samar, Cebu, Pampanga, Mindoro, and Laguna. Some of which nakatayo na, some of which hinihintay pang magtayo na. But they already signed and gave us the deposit and the franchise package. So, dumalago, dumadami yung ating division. Next, with our OBI or Orbis Victus International, our updates are this. For the past 3 to 4 years, we already served 380 million pesos worth of claims. Are you proud of this? Halo-halo na yan. Halo-halo na repat care, personal accident, medical reimbursement, daily hospitalization income or daily cash assistance, total permanent disability, burial assistance, and halo-halo na. So we are serving Filipinos with digital insurance. At nakakatuwa, for the past 4 years, yan yung na-achieve natin. Now, you want good news? Very, very soon, we will be launching our own medical insurance. So, abangan niyo yan. Abangan niyo. Maybe on our official launch nito sa mid-year rally or even prior to that. Next. Ito na. We'd like to update you with what's been happening around the globe with our AIM Global Group of Companies. We just had an event in Rwanda with 2,000 attendees just this month. Next. Ayan sila. Not only in Rwanda, but also in Eldoret, Kenya. And it's a specific business area in Kenya. We have around 500 attendees. Some of our top leaders are here from Kenya. Okay, can I hear the voice of... Okay. They did this with 500 attendees. Next. Not only in Kenya, but also in Mombasa, Kenya, another business district with around 1,000 attendees last February of 2025. Let's show them. Yan. In an auditorium. Next slide, please. Also in Zambia with 3,000 attendees just last June of this year. Okay, I believe we have a representative from Zambia. We have a representative from Zambia. Right, Duncan? We have a representative from Zambia. Okay, next. Also in Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, DRC, make some noise. Okay, they had 1,000 attendees just last month. Let's show them. There you go. In a very huge auditorium. Next slide, please. Also in Bunia, DRC. There you go. With 2,000 attendees just last May of this year. Let's show them. Okay, as you can see, they're also color coordinated. Pag sinabing blue, blue lahat. Yeah, next. In Burundi, which is one of the newest country that we have opened. In Burundi, which is also an English and French-speaking country, we just had an event last April with 2,500 attendees. Next. Ayan, these are just our ordinary presentation. Pero ganyan kadami yung umaating in Burundi, Africa. Next slide. Also in South Africa, we just did our soft launch a few days back. I think last week. Inopen natin yung ating Johannesburg, South Africa company-owned office in South Africa. There you go. There you go. The usual faces. Miss Meg, our international trainer. Miss Maricar, our country manager in South Africa, and the assistant. So, grabe. We've been opening country after Burundi, South Africa, and we will be opening more countries. Because we keep on expanding. Because as our logo goes, that we keep on expanding in as many countries as possible to reach more lives, to change their lives for the better. Next. There you go, another event just this month in Uganda with 1,000 attendees. Let's show them. There you go. Okay, we have Duncan here. Duncan, can you please stand up? Our top leader in Uganda, Mr. Duncan. He's here to grace our event. Thank you, Duncan. Next. There you go. We'll be opening 3. Everybody say 3. 3 more countries will be opening. I'm so excited with this. Indonesia with 275 million population, more than double than the Philippines. So kung nakita mo na nag-succeed tayo sa Philippines, nag-succeed tayo sa Africa, which is an 18, 19, 20-hour flight, more so in Asia with Indonesia. We call Indonesia as the Nigeria of Asia. Can you imagine 275 million? Magkaroon ka lang ng isa-dalawang leaders dyan. Isa-dalawang leaders lang na siyang magpapioneer sa Indonesia. Iba na ang future mo. Are you excited with this? We'll be also opening in New Zealand, which is a first world country. 6 million lang yung population, pero lahat sila can afford to buy our packages, can afford to buy our supplements, can afford to join our business opportunity. Also another country in Africa, Senegal, with 18 million population, French-speaking country, huge market potential. Yan pa yung mga bubuksan nating bansa this year. Excited ka ba? So guys, we're so happy, we're so proud. We're the only Filipino-owned company. Now from the Philippines, we continue to expand into as many countries as possible. Okay, our goal is to reach as many lives as possible. Next. Eto na, US trip. Alam ko, excited kayo sa US trip na raffle. Am I right? But for those people who are go-getter, for those people who are type A personality, for those people who don't want to gamble, ayokong tsumamba sa raffle, gusto kong hatawin yan. This is your chance. For so many years, ang US trip, 1-year requirement. 1 year. For the first time in the history, we're making a US trip promo only for 6 months. From July 1 to December 31. So what does it mean? Mas madali ngayon ang US trip. Mas kaya mo. Tignan mo yung katabi mo. Tapikin mo, sabihin mo, huy!
Uy!
Hatawin natin ang
Uy!
US trip! Grabe, especially nowadays, with our lowest package, yung EasyVerse 5980. Kaya ba? Can you imagine 5980? Magkikreate ka lang ng 6 na direct in 6 months. 6 na direct na lahat yan magsi-silver executive. Na yung magsi-silver executive, may 5 direct din. At sila may 30 pairs. God, that's so easy. Para ka lang 1 direct per month. Natututukan mo mag-silver, tututukan mo magkaroon ng 5, tututukan mo magkaroon ng 30 pairs. And mind you, yung 30 pairs, EasyVerse 5980 pairs pa yun. Paano kung sumali pa yan sa 10.5, kung sumali pa yan sa NeoVerse, sa Technoverse, mas mabilis mong ma-achieve yun. So we are foreseeing marami ang magka-qualify sa US trip requirement. Isa ka na ba doon?
Yeah!
Ayan. Huwag mong iasa sa bunot-bunot. Iasa mo sa hataw-hataw. Kasi kahit hindi ka mabunot, guys, nabunot ng 1 million, nabunot ng brand new car, nabunot ng trip to US for free, pero mas masarap yung paghinataw mo, paulit-ulit mong hahatawin, kahit hindi ka mabunot, makakasama at makakasama ka sa US. Are you ready for this? Next. Ayan na. We created Prime Pass. Everybody
Eto
say
na.
Prime Pass.
Ito na!
Doc, ano yung Prime Pass? Because it's
Ang buhol, ang Hong Kong!
for you to become a prime rank distributor. Let's show them. For 3 consecutive months, kinakailangan prime ka para makapag-click ka ng travel. Tama o tama? You want good news? Good news. Now, kailangan mo lang mag-prime 1 beses na lang. Okay, 1 beses na lang. Mag-prime
Yan na.
ka. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, huy! Mag-prime ka this month. Ayan, pag nag-prime ka this month of July, ano pwedeng mangyari? Eto na.
Buhol! Yeah!
Ang PGI clicking, Obos. Magkiklik ka ngayon ng travel, hindi unahan. 1 to sawang clicking. Starting August. Mag-prime ka lang this month of July. Saan ka pupunta? Gusto mo bang malaman kung saan ka pupunta? Let's start with local. Local, let's show them.
Buhol!
Ayan. Pag pumunta ka pa sa Bohol, grabe. Magpa-prime ka lang this July, kung hindi ka pa nagpa-prime ever since, pag inap natin by August, nag-click ka, all expense paid to Bohol. Kailan ang clicking? Ngayong August ang clicking. Excited ka ba? Next. Ayan, Hong Kong. Walang kasawa-sawang Hong Kong Disneyland. Okay, mag-prime ka lang this July. Pwede ka na mag-click ka lang. August uli ang clicking. Walang una-unahan. Click ka lang ng click. By batch, aalis at aalis yan. Handa ka na ba mag-travel?
Yeah!
Saan pa gusto mo?
Korea!
Usong-uso yan, Vietnam, Danang. Ayan, di ba yung malaking kamay? Doon ka papanik. Para mo sinasabing hawak mo ang future mo. Pagka nag-prime ka ngayong July, pwede kang mag-click. O September, sipin mo, palapitan ng palapit. Next. Ayan, Taiwan. Masarap magpunta sa Taiwan, panigin yung Taiwan 101, mag-street foods. Pag tinanong ka, friends, saan ka galing? Nag-street foods ako eh. Saan? Sa Taiwan. So, kailan ang clicking? September din. Para mabigyan ng panahon yung pag-alis ng local tsaka international. Next. Ito, masaya, South Korea. Mag-prime ka ngayong July. Para kailan? Next. October, pwede mo maiklik.
Yes!
Sunod na travel. Handa ka na ba sa travel? May passport ka ba? Yes. Ayan na. Good news number 4. Starting tomorrow, July 22 hanggang July 31, buy one, take one ang mga food supplement. Buy 3, take 1 ang ating mga beverage product. Balikan yung mga customer. Okay? Bentahan uli. Create sales out of them. Excited ka ba? For our African leaders, get ready because in Africa and in PNG, we also have a promo July 22 to 31, 19% because it's our 19th anniversary, 19% off on all product reorders. So all existing products, 19%. When you go back to your country, you can avail of the discount on the counters on each and every country where we are present. Excited ka ba? Next. There you go. Our theme today is limitless because we simply believe we can be limitless. Doc, ano ibig sabihin ng limitless? Yung wala kang boundaries. Yung walang pumipigil sa'yo kung ano gusto mong gawin. Yung pangarap, dati ano pangarap mo? Second hand na kotse lang. It can be limitless. It can be brand new car, or brand new cars, or brand new supercars, or brand new mega cars, ano man yan. So mangangarap ka na rin ng gawin mong limitless. Travel, dati ang travel na nasa isip mo, local lang. Ngayon we have limitless travel. The goal of AIM Global Group is to provide each and every one of you limitless opportunities to transform. Handa ka na ba magbago ang buhay mo? We will lay down all the cards, all the subsidiaries and divisions na pwede mong i-alok sa market mo. At pag ina-alok mo yan, the goal is to create your own community. Ano man ang grupo mo, whether you like it or else, pag may bumili ng ino-offer mo, may points, may kita ka, mababago buhay mo. So handa ka na ba sa pagbabago sa buhay mo? All you need to think, all you need to do is to become limitless. Doc, paano ba magiging limitless? You can see, it says there, since 2006. What does it mean? For the past 19 years, when we started this company, officially launched March of 2006, but we were already operating September of 2005. When we started this company, we believed in our hearts, we believe in our minds, we will become limitless. Hindi lang tayo pang Pilipinas. Hindi lang tayo pang food supplement beauty products. Darating ang time, tatawid tayo ng ibang industriya. Darating ang time, we will offer other services na naka-network din. Darating ang time, hindi lang Pilipinas, tatawid ng Asia. Darating ang time, hindi lang Asia, tatawid ng Middle East, tatawid ng Europe, tatawid ng Africa, and it is already a reality nowadays. Yung pangarap ng bagong mga companies ngayon, ginagawa na natin paulit-ulit since 2006. So kung naniniwala ka, kung sumali ka way back 19 years ago, o sumali ka 10 years ago, o sumali ka last month, last week, kahapon, at tinatanong mo yung sarili mo, bakit hindi pa ako umaasenso? Kasi hindi ka pa limitless. So to become limitless, You need to conceive. You need to think 100% na kaya mo lahat. Dok, ano yung lahat? Timing. Lahat ng bagyo na dadaan sa buhay mo. Sasabihin nila, Bisaya ka, hindi mo kaya yan. Sasabihin nila, wala kang pinag-aralan, hindi mo kaya yan. Sasabihin nilang, hindi ka nakapagtapos ng college, hindi mo kaya yan, hindi yan bagay sa'yo. Sasabihin nila, matanda ka na, hindi mo kaya yan. Babagyuhin ka ng bata ka pa, wala ka pang alam sa sinasabi mo, hindi mo kaya yan. Well, you can listen to them. And you can entertain what they have said. Or pwede mong sabihin sa sarili mo, I am limitless. Ano man ang sasabihin nila, papasok sa tengang ito, lalabas sa kabilang tenga nang hindi nababago yung mga bagay in between your ears, which is your mind. Hindi babaguhin ng salita sa labas, ang salita sa loob. Ano yung salita sa loob? Sabi ng isipan mo, kaya mo yan. Sabi ng isipan mo, limitless ka. Oo, ikaw na nandyan sa taas. Oo, kayong lahat na nandyan sa taas at nasa gitna. Oo, ramdaman mo, ikaw na binabagyo ngayong oras. Ikaw na binabaha ngayong araw. Ikaw ay isang limitless. Wala hahaklan sa'yo. Ikaw ang ikaw na limitless sa pangarap mo. Pero pag-iisip mo, pag-isip ang puso mo, kaya mo ang lahat. Oo! Kaya mo ang lahat! Hindi na bibiguin ang isip at ang puso mo! Hindi na bibiguin ang pangarap mo! Yung bagyong araw at gabi! Hindi humitahan yan! Pero nandito ka! Alin mo! Magbabago ang buhay mo! Isang limitless! Ngayong lahat, ngayong araw, limitless! Handa ka na ba? Ngayon, Sherman, handa ka na ba? Handa ka na ba? Mga tagayin mo! Handa na tayong lahat! Maghanda na sila! Babalik kami! Iba ang lakas! Iba ang pangarap mo ngayon! Kasi tayong lahat limitless! Ayun, 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 ayun.